Welcome to Star Technology 5G. In the last video, we studied how to use serial communication, and we sent data one by one. That is not very efficient method. In today's video I will show you how to send data string using serial communication. Let's start the video. Please subscribe to the Star Technology 5G and click on the bell icon. Project: How to send data string using serial communication. In this project, PIC16F877 microcontroller operated from an 11.0592 MHz crystal. The RS232 TX output of the microcontroller RC6 and RX input of the microcontroller RC7 pin are connected to a MAX232 level converter chip and then to the serial input of the PC using a DB9 pin type connector. We will send data string that will show on the PC HyperTerminal. Here is the circuit diagram we are using in our project. It is PIC16F877 microcontroller. Pin number 1 is master reset. If we press the switch it will reset the microcontroller. Pin RC6 and pin RC7 interfaced with MAX232. Here are the capacitors interfaced with MAX232. The value of capacitor is 10 UF. An output of MAX232 is interfaced with DB9 pins connector and other side of the DB9 pin interfaced with PC serial communication. Pin numbers 13 and 14 interface with an 11.0592 MHz crystal. And 22 PF capacitors connected with the crystal. Pin number 11 and 32 connected with positive 5 volts. Pin number 12 and 31 connected with ground volt. Let's draw this circuit in Proteus. In Proteus we do not need MAX232 IC. But in practical circuit you need MAX232. I will disconnect the MAX232 IC and I will connect the virtual terminal direct with PIC16F877. The circuit is ready now. We will write its code in micro CPIC. Here is the window where we can write the code. I already wrote the code, otherwise video gets very long. I will copy the code. And I will paste it here. Now I will define you the code. Void SERTX unsigned char x. Define data send function. TXREG equals x. Copy data into transmit buffer. While PIR1TXIF equals 0. Wait until data transfer. Void send string. Unsigned char asterisk text. String send function. Unsigned char I define variable. For loop for sending characters one by one. I equals 0. Text I equals \0. Increment I. Stay in this loop until null character reached. SERTX. Text I. Call SERTX and send one character. For loop repeat this code again until it receive the null character. Void main. Main function. RCSTA equals 0x80. Enable serial communication. TXSTA equals 0x20. Enable transmission, low baud rate and 8-bit transmission. SPBRG equals 17. 9600 baud rate, crystal 11.0592 MHz. Send string bracket double quote star technology 5G double quote bracket. \n and \r. These are codes of new line and carry return. New line code, add new line and carry return code, return the cursor at the beginning of the line. Call send string function and give data string. Star technology 5G. Any data we need to send, it should be written between the double quote marks. After that we will again call send sting function and give him new data sting. Please subscribe the channel. While 1. After sent all data string it will stay here. Now we will create the hex file. Just click on the build icon. Finished successfully. File is created. Now we will load hex file into the microcontroller. Double click on the microcontroller. Select the hex file. OK. And click on the run simulation. Now you can see. First it wrote star technology 5G and after that it printed. Please subscribe the channel. Whenever we reset the microcontroller it will print the star technology 5G, and please subscribe the channel. If you have any problem with the code let me know in comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the star technology 5G. And keep watching star technology 5G.